Hey folks, thought we'd do a little update. Friend Leslie kind of reminded me that I haven't done an update for a long time, so thought we'd do one here. So, show you what we've been up to. So we got Lynn's, not sure you can see that very well, Lynn's tub is there. We're waiting to finish the crown molding on this one side because we got a cabinet that's going in over in this other corner. But we do have the crown in. We don't have the vanity yet, but we've got the shower done. Of course, you can't see that very well. Let me. So there's our shower. And this is where this other cabinet's going to go that we're waiting on. Moving on into the bedroom. So still have one door to trim out. Got the window all trimmed, crown's in. We've got on all the bedrooms we put in transom windows, or we still have a couple to put in, but that's what our transom windows are going to look like above those doors. And then we've got a barn door that goes into the closet there. So that's the bedroom. Headed into the hall. Everything else is a work in progress still. Well, even the bedroom, I guess, and bathroom. So here is the laundry room. Got their washer and dryer going, and a sink, but that's about it right now. All the cabinetry is still to be done. Then moving down the hall, mechanical room. We've got a few more things in the mechanical room now. Let me get a light on here. So we ended up having to go with a whole house RO unit. We were going to use just a point of use at the sink, but the water was total dissolved solids were kind of high in our water. So rather than have them impact our appliances and stuff, we went ahead and put in this whole house RO unit. And everything else is kind of got the energy, or the ventilator it's been running for the last couple months. So that's going. And moving down the hall here into the great room, have started to do, well, everything's sheetrocked. We just have started to do the tape and mud on the walls here. The dining room and kitchen we've got done and painted, and we're getting ready to start putting the cabinets in here so we can get some appliances in. So basically over here is wall oven coming across to the range. Then under this window will be the sink, and then the refrigerator. So the office and the other guest bedroom are not done yet. We don't have sheetrock up on them or anything yet. But yeah, that's what's going on. I don't know if I've got anything else really going on. Could show you our garage real quick. I don't know if we've shown folks this. So this has been our cut station. We have a couple of miter saws going on for different lengths and different widths pieces. Got dust collector, and getting geared up here to do, got a table saw and the outfeed table, and we're getting geared up to start making our cabinets. So that's kind of the next step. We got a ton of plywood we brought in a couple days ago, cabinet grade maple, that we'll start ripping and putting together. And that is about it for this tour. I'll try and keep it short. It's probably a little longer than it needed to be, but hope everybody's doing good. Stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.